thought the Miata was fine until I stranded on the side of the road. This was the first sign.
The car just shut down. The start.
And now I'm stuck here without an idea if I can get this thing home. Was this my fault? Probably. Can we fix it? Let's find out. But first, let's rewind this.
So I was driving home with the Mazda. The battery sign came on. And then the car just shut down.
So we were stranded there.
So now we're here in the middle of nowhere. We heard the belt grinding and we could also smell it.
And it broke off.
This little broken belt.
But the reason the belt broke was strange. But we'll get back to that later.
But now we have a belt in the garage. So I have to get there. But without the belt, the battery doesn't charge.
I got another battery. We're going to use these cables to put it on here,
and hopefully it takes me to the garage. But
this is our friend Mike. He's a mechanic and an artist, if you remember. He gave the tip to put in another battery and connect it. It should take us to the garage. But little did we know that there was another problem that we didn't consider.
Wait, will it start?
This is the moment of truth.
Starts. So now the question is, will I make it all the way, to the garage? Good question.
And it's a 20-minute drive and I have two options.
Okay, let's see. Let's see, it runs. Okay, so I see the light of the battery still on.
Option 1.
Shall I go on the highway?
Or option 2.
Not on the highway.
Duh.
Problem is that once the car goes, if the battery goes, it does nothing. Completely nothing. So do I want to be stranded next to the highway? Or not? I don't know. I think I'm gonna try the highway. My window is fogging because I can't use too much electronics.
A few minutes later.
Few minutes in, everything seems okay. But then if I strand here, it's still like quite a drive from here and it's hard to reach this. So I really hope we're gonna make it.
I'm really starting to second guess myself. Was this a smart idea?
Wait, there's smoke coming from under the hood. Why? Should I continue? I'm almost there, but it's smoking. It's not looking good. Not sure what it is, but I have to make it. It's smoking. Oh my god. Will I make it? Should I stop? Okay, no wait, I stop. I'm gonna check why it's smoking. Because this is not looking good.
This is not looking good. And things go from bad to worse.
So it seems the coolant is boiling. Obviously because there's not enough power to, power the radiator and everything. You can see there's also a lot of fluid coming out. And you can hear it. It is literally boiling and you see it's everywhere. I'm almost there. It's getting a little bit less. I'm gonna go for it. Then again, it's only a few minutes drive from here, so I should be able to make it, I hope. It still starts, come on. No, I should have not stopped.
And yes, the battery died. So I'm checking everything to see if there's something disconnected. In the hope that maybe something was loose so I could start the car again.
Checked it. Start. Oh, it doesn't start anymore. Got an extra battery, hopefully that works. Please, 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 please.
I anticipated that maybe something like this would happen, so that's why I brought a backup.
The start.
but I already had my doubts about this one.
That doesn't start anymore. Before we get back to the chaos,
What was the actual problem?
This little broken belt powers the alternator, which charges the battery, and it drives the water pump. So without it, there's no power, there's no cooling, so the engine overheats and the battery runs out. So eventually the car will die.
Back to the car.
that doesn't start anymore. Gotta call car. Yo!
Yeah.
I'm stranded.
Why?
I'm just around the corner. Okay, I called Ka. He's coming to the rescue. The only thing is it needs to start, then we can drive back. Because I think because we don't have enough power, it overheated. It started to boil the fluids. Okay, I just started it and it worked. Hey, I start. So I'm going to try to drive back now, so bear with me.
So apparently the second battery wasn't dead. It just took a little bit of time to charge my battery.
So it's starting, it's driving, I'm driving! Let's go!
But the big question is...
Oh! Can I make it? Can I make it? What am I gonna do? I'm gonna just drive it in here. Ah, made it! Okay, that's a relief. That was more exciting than I wanted it to be, but we're here. Okay, turn it off before it overheats again. But we need to fix this.
Okay, so let's actually fix this before it leaves me stranded again. But what caused the belt to snap? Well, this is what we saw when we checked where the belt was supposed to be. We were a little bit baffled.
So,
Normally, this is the alternator, and the belt runs on this pulley, which charges the battery. The alternator is fixed with a bolt in this hole, but now it's loose, so that's probably caused the belt to snap.
but why is it loose in the first place? What happened? The bolt is nowhere to be found. Where did it go?
Somewhere on the streets.
Oh man, I think we need a new bolt, a new belt, and get this fixed.
And Ka is doing all the dirty work.
You don't need a lot of tools.
Okay, so
to
we're
this
also
job.
recording a tutorial of this, but it didn't go that smooth.
12mm socket, a wrench, an 8mm socket, small wrench.
Also a wrench.
This thingy here.
40 wrench and this.
Nice.
Okay, let's just go.
Loosen this bolt up.
So we start by removing the intake, because then we have a lot more room to work with.
Before we start loosening up the bolts, it's always wise to spray it with some lube.
Loop.
Take 2. With some penetration oil. We need to loosen up this bolt here behind this pulley, but we can't exit it. Crank.
So I get in the car and crank it, so the
Yeah.
pulley rotates, and
Yeah.
hopefully we can
Yeah.
access it from
Yeah.
there.
Yep.
We remove the tensioner so we can take the first belt off.
Belt is off. And then, what's next? We're sponsored by...
My own bad decisions. This is not supposed to be like this.
This is probably the reason why the belt snapped.
So we're missing something. So we got another one.
So let's first make sure.
And hopefully this one will stick.
Not sponsored by Gates. New belt.
And if everything goes right, this should resolve our problem. Let's go! Okay, belt is on, and now we put everything back again.
Turn them. Tight. So the alternator is fixed now. How do you know there's enough tension on the belt? You can twist the belt a little bit. It shouldn't go further than this and shouldn't be too tight. So this is perfect. Then we need to tighten this bolt here.
And here,
Alright, belt number 2.
new. So might as well replace this belt.
Tighten up the tensioner.
So making sure the new belt is nice and tight so it doesn't fly off.
The belts are on. Still need to mount the intake.
Which is pretty straightforward with just a few clamps.
And we're done.
And did we do it properly? Time to start the car.
Battery dead.
Of course, the battery is still dead, so we charge it a little bit. A few moments later.
Okay, starting it up now.
So is the battery too weak? Or did we do something wrong?
Nee.
Okay.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, so it starts.
It sounds also better now.
Yes, that sounds a lot better. And it's
Everything is
looking
working
good.
nice.
Nice and easy. And hopefully with this the problems are gone.
Yeah! Let's see if it still overheats or not. So let's go for a small drive.
But first we need to check the coolant in the reservoir and the radiator, and we charge the battery so the light is off.
But before we start the drive, if you like this content, make sure to hit the like and the subscribe button, and let's see if this thing drives. Let's go. Everything's looking good on the dash.
A moment of reflection.
So one of the issues that we could be facing is the head gasket. It might have gone because of the overheating. So yes, it was stupid. It was stupid of me to do this, to drive. I should have gotten the belt and did it at my place instead of going to the garage. But obviously I didn't know.
So everything seems to be working properly now, so we fixed it. I mean car.
We got one.
Upgrades, new tools, and some things we discover are even worse.
Oh.
Something about
One more.